Hi guys! Coffee tayo. Today guys, meron akong cookie. This is Dubai Chewy Cookie. First time kong titikman to. Kailangan akong MCT oil sa aking coffee. Medyo not feeling well ako guys. Siguro sa pagod ko dahil kahapon grabe sobrang busy ko sa garden. At ang sakit ng kamay ko kasi nag-ukay ako. And then, tinanggal ko yung puno na hindi ko na kailangan sa garden ko kasi pinalitan ko siya ng citrus tree. Kaya sobrang sakit. Kaya medyo not feeling well ako. Sa pagod siguro. And dito lang ako today sa house. So, magko-coffee ako and have this Dubai Chewy Cookie by Bake Away by Seth to make me feel better. So, try na natin to. But first, let's slice it in half para makita natin guys yung inside ng cookie na to. Ooh. So, let me show you. Ganyan siya, guys. And now, the moment of truth. May crunch. Hindi siya matamis. Sakto lang yung sweetness niya. Interesting. First time ko makakain ng cookie na ganito yung texture niya. May crunch. Hindi ako sure kung ano ba talaga dapat ang lasa niya. Kasi nga, first time ko makatikim ng Dubai Chewy Cookie and never pa ako nakatry ng Dubai chocolate. But for me, this is something different, interesting, and it's a good dessert. Let's try it with the coffee. Yeah, I think it's perfect with the coffee. I don't know kung anong tawag dito, yung sa loob niya, yung greenish. But what I love the most is that, ito guys, yung nagka-cover cookie na to, parang mochi siya, it's chewy. It's good. So guys, kung gusto niyo matikman ang Dubai Chewy Cookie, PM lang kayo kay Bake Away by Seth, yan yung kanyang page. And I think this is really a bit different kind of dessert. Not the usual dessert na kinakain natin like cakes and other cookies. But this is good. Try ninyo.